from the side, from the side, it will look like kind of a kind of a rectangle, but it's little bit sliced down from the corners here, right? So the basically duster, if you see the construction line for the duster, the 2D construction line we are discussing here is going to be that, a rectangle, and in that rectangle,
Sir, excuse me, sir.
yes,
तो स्ट्रेट लाइंस पे वर्क कैसे करना है, मतलब इतनी अच्छे से स्ट्रेट नहीं बन
oh,
पाती है लाइन.
okay, 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 let's start from there, let's start from there. Thank you, Ruby, for reminding this thing. Let's
सर
start from there.
मैंने किया, मितुशीन ने किया था, रूबी ने नहीं.
Mitushi, oh, okay, Mitushi, thank you,
यस सर.
thank you for
वेलकम
reminding
सर.
this thing. Okay, let's
वेलकम
start
सर.
from there. This is like, why are you giving my credit to anyone else? I will fight for it. So, how to hold the pencil? We'll start from there, okay? Not even the like line. Someone is having fun. Ayush, Jaswal is, yeah. Keep your face always smiling. So, while making the drawings, we need to understand the different pressure, okay? And holding the pencil at different pressures, you get different kind of lines. In fact, the same kind of, this is what we call in designing language material design. Material design is basically the Google's thing, but we'll go in those things later on. Understanding the physicality of the things and bringing into the digital products. So they have developed some digital products also. If you use stylus, right, there is one guy using a stylus right now. So you see in that stylus you have different tilt positioning, right? Once you do your pencil like that, you hold from the back and you do the tilt like this, you get a different kind of line. Once you hold from the top and a little bit closer to the tip of the pencil, you get quite stark line because you're not able to make that tilt, okay? So depending on the different type of requirement of the line, we hold the pencils from different position and the angle, all right? But here we are going for line, all right? So whenever you're going for line, do not, because there are some people who try to imitate artists and architects and those kind of people, and in the beginning only there's just maybe sometimes show off. I used to do that like that. I used to hold the pencil like this to freak out other students, like अरे ये ऐसे पकड़ रहे हैं, इसलिए इसका drawing ऐसा अच्छा हो रहा है. No, it doesn't work like that. uh, you need to hold the pencil first correctly, all right? So to draw the line, you need to hold the pencil comfortably wherever you are comfortable to just writing, like the way you write, that is how you have to hold the pencil. Now the problem is touching the paper with your palm while drawing. So your the wrist and the palm, this thing should not touch the paper, should not touch the paper. And other things, it doesn't matter. Your body needs to be moving in certain direction in all mediums, in all mediums, okay? So understand that movement, importance of that. Why I'm emphasizing those things? Because those things are important and people don't care about that. That's why I'm trying to emphasize all these things, and I'm saying again and again and again, please take care of this from today. Do not touch the paper, right? If you have a urge to touch the paper, you can touch with your pinky finger. You can take out the pinky finger a little bit forward, but can you see the gap from the paper and my palm? Look at that. Can you see that? I always draw in air, never touch the paper. I always draw in air, so my hand moves in air. Ruby, this is what your answer also, and for other people who are facing problem with the quality of the line, okay?
Yes, sir.
uh, just mute your mic. I'm just telling you. Okay, so while doing this thing, now another thing is movement of the hand. Movement of the hand, so many people, they tend to draw line like this. They move the hand from the elbow, ऐसे. Okay, keeping like that, move the elbow like that. So the thing is that your wrist also should not touch the paper, your elbow should not touch the furniture around. So whenever you are drawing anything, do not sit on a chair which has a hand rest. Okay, do not sit on a chair which has a hand rest. Do not sit on sofa, especially do not sit on the bed. How many if you're sitting on the bed? Let me see. You can sit on the bed maybe, but you need to be having a table around it. Okay, just keep your body completely free from the all the foundation of the society, just fly away. Okay, so yeah, so whole things should be free around. If someone is sitting around, just mark hata do usko side mein. You need a free space. Now the next thing is that how to move hand to draw a straight line. So now everyone is going to observe how I'm doing it. I'm drawing a straight line. I don't need scale. Who needs scales while you can get this kind of. Now please observe from which portion of my hand I'm moving my hand. Can you see the movement of my hand, where it's moving? Yes, you got it, Mitushi. Yes, that's the work we should do. From the shoulder, you need to move the shoulder itself. When you are moving your shoulder, your hand, your this, the pencil is going in a straight direction. Once you're moving from here, straight line, you're making an arc, can you see the motion of that? You're making an arc. You are never going to get straight line. Tell you so many cool kind of techniques of the practice and how to master those skills. Later in classes, there's so many exercises, you'll face so many problems in so many things, but don't worry, I'll have you back. So keep your hand, the left hand, if you are right handy, so keep your left hand this side like this. Okay, fine, everyone, you can do that. Can you मदारी देख रहे हो क्या? Do करो मेरे साथ. Keep your hand like that. If you're left handy drawing, then you keep your right hand like that. Okay, and whichever the arm you use for the drawing, suppose I am right handy, so I'm using this one for the drawing. So I will place my wrist here. Okay, completely leave your wrist completely here like that, wrist completely, and after that move just the shoulder. Yes, like that. Every day half an hour in the morning, बेड पर से उठ के ये एक्सरसाइज करना, and you'll have a good result, I'm telling you. That's a premium knowledge. Now after that, move your lines in all directions. So not just straight left to right, you have to go right to left also. You have to go in all 360-degree, right? So diagonal lines, all kind of diagonal lines, from top to bottom, bottom to top, from this side, whichever way you can move. Just your training your memory, muscle memory, right, to move your hand in every possible directions, right? So do that, this exercise every day. Let's make this hand one later on. Few minutes, you will take the newspaper, you will read newspaper. How many of you are coming just for like another career option in design? Raise your hand. Let's try like that. Or how many of you like really want to be designer, like दिल से डिजाइनर ही बनना है और कोई चाहिए नहीं लाइफ में, विराट कोहली भी नहीं चाहिए? How many of you? Some of you are having no clue.
Sir,
Okay,
me.
that's okay. So now if you're in this situation, then you should follow all these things. Okay, whatever I'm telling. Every day you have to read newspaper. If you're not reading newspaper, you're not being designer. I got it. How to draw straight line, Mitashi? Okay,
So I
let's
can
see.
draw it right now. I can already do it.
They have done so many things in life, and they've came towards this. Okay, all right. So let's understand now. The second thing is the construction line. The basic structure for this duster is going to be a rectangle, and inside that rectangle, from the side, if you see that. Now, one more important thing. This is not a part of construction line, but this is a part of product drawing. The first thing, okay. So while you are understanding the construction, basic construction line of that, and after that you are understanding the structure line, construction line, the surroundings, okay, the surroundings part, the basic of the construction, the structure lines which comes towards the product base, okay. So structure line, where it's coming, you'll see that from the area this is going diagonal. If you divide this whole duster into 3 equal parts, so you'll find out from those both of the lines this is going diagonal and one part is straight, okay. So you have to divide this thing into 2 parts, this whole rectangle. Bring it here. Divide this whole rectangle into 2 parts. Is it looking little smaller on your screen,
Yes.
or is it fine?
Smaller.
It's fine. चलो मैं थोड़ा सा बड़ा बना देता हूँ. I think this will be much. The duster. All right. Now we have to move whole thing, this whole rectangle, into 3D. So whenever you draw a rectangle in 3D, what kind of shape you get? A cuboid, right?
Yes.
A cuboid. Now, couple of the mistakes what everyone makes, and you will also make, but I hope that you don't make, because I'm pointing out, do not make this mistake, please. The mistake is that on the base, this is the base of the product. But if you see the surface one we are talking about, the surface is still horizontally straight. It has been just kept on angle, you know. Surface is straight horizontally. It has been kept on an angle. Okay. Now on this straight horizontally surface, you see the height, the line which is creating the height. It always goes on 90 degree on the surface. Always on 90 degree. And this is what so many people make mistakes here. They draw these lines, they're supposed to be 90 degree on the surface here. They draw somewhat like kind of diagonal. And that is the biggest mistake. And this mistake people follow like their crushes. नहीं इसको तो छोड़ूंगा ही नहीं. Do not do that. Leave it, please. Draw straight, okay, on the surface if it has been kept straight. Now, it will go diagonal in only one condition. When your surface itself is slopy. So when the surface will be slopy, on that slopy surface also, this line which is creating the height, it will create 90 degree only. So this will automatically look diagonal. Okay, that is why your product, whenever you use this diagonal height line, it looks like it's falling on either one side or something like that. It looks really weird. And that's very painful. I'm telling you, बार बार तुम लोग करोगे, मैं तुम्हारा मुंह देख रही हूँ. Let me take a screenshot. No one will switch off their videos. मुंह मत ढकना अपना. After that, I will see how many people are there and you are doing the same mistake. गधे करते हैं ऐसा काम. I hope you are not. All right. So do not make this mistake. And in your exercise is going to be the product drawing. After that will fit inside it. In maybe in next class we'll take one more little bit extra class. Or I don't think it's required because anyway we are doing in first class also. The first session also we are doing the same product drawing only. So these things will be keep coming in so many other objects. 1 week is going to be like that, same only. So what is the exercise you are going to do? You have to draw basic shape, geometrical shape, and you have to convert that into 3D shape. Okay. And after that, you have to take another basic shape, but whatever the shape you can draw, geometrical shape, you can combine 2 shapes also, 3 shapes also to create so many different kind of shapes. And every time you are creating another 3D structure from 2D, maintain this height, the line of the height. That's all. Keep this exercise. Do that. Maybe you can find this boring or maybe stupid. And those people who are going for like masters also, I'm training for you also. It's important. You'll find out the importance of this thing later on. Don't find it boring. Do it right now. It has a great advantage. Okay. एक बार इसका practice हो गया, then you'll be able to do later also. Okay. Questions, everyone. This thing you have to do
Yes.
minimum 10. For next class, I want to see 10 different mix match of shapes, and you are creating different kind of shapes. Plus one more exercise. Let's add it. Once you are creating another 3D shape, you have to find related to that 3D shape. You have to find what we did, Pritika, architectural shape we did, no?
Ancient architectural pieces on basic shapes,
Based on basic shapes, right?
basic polygons.
Yeah, basic polygons. Basic 3D polygons. You have to find out a reference of those polygons, the influence of those polygons in ancient architecture, and that ancient means those architectures which has been built before 1950.
Yeah.
Before 1950, you not came up with any kind of architecture which has been done after 1950. I'm not talking about the starting date. I'm talking about the completion date of that. Okay, you have to find out those architectural pieces. You have to write information related to that architectural piece, famous ones. You can take that older ones also, like 5,000 years also, those things have been made. You can take that examples as well, and you have to write information of that, when it was built, why it was built, who was the architect, which kind of civilization was there, this kind of information, because this information are very important for your examination. Questions comes directly. Okay, so these knowledge based things you have to do that. You have to find out whether it belongs to World Heritage Site or not, because there are so many great architects who belongs to World Heritage Site under UNESCO. You know UNESCO. You have you heard of UNESCO? All of you?
Yes.
No? Okay, search about that. UNESCO. UNESCO. All right. We are done. Question?
Sir,
Yes, Saurabh, you're here.
I wanted to ask about the homework. Like, can you give an example? So,
The homework is we have to make basic shape. We have to convert that into 3D. And
okay.
after that, related to that 3D structure, you have to find the influence, the similarity of that 3D structure in famous architectural pieces
Okay.
before 1950s, and you have to write down all the information related to that architecture pieces, and you have to draw a basic drawing of also of that architectural piece. Okay, I'll give you one example of that. We have time. I'll give you one example. So suppose this is, let me give a simplest example. It's like, suppose I'm taking example of one square, one triangle, right? And I will mix this both of the shape. Then what it will become?
A prism
Prism.
Pyramid.
House.
or a
A
pyramid.
prism also. You can make prism also, of course. But I'm going to give a very simple example of pyramid. You know, whenever you find examples, no, you find examples are like very simple one. Like, हाँ ये तो किसी कोई भी कर लेगा. But give some difficult example. No, I will give simple example only. Difficult thing you have to think. So that's the pyramid. Right? This part won't be visible, so you can erase all this thing. Okay, that's the pyramid. And you can write Giza pyramid, Egypt, made in that year, made for some pharaoh and all these people, some really cool Egyptian kings, and why this is famous for. You can write some facts also about that. If you break the whole pyramid, you can place that pyramid on what do you call it? Better. So if you take all the bricks out of these pyramids and if you place, you can make a whole circle, hold the equator of a side. That's amount of bricks has been installed in these pyramids. That's another fact. So you can write this kind of cool facts so that you can remember, right? You can remember those things, and you might get asked question also. Okay. So this is how you make this. After that you make the basic shape. After that you will make the whole architectural piece. Oh, that example I forgot. So after making the basic shape, you will make these pyramids. You know, pyramids, and they're like three pyramids all together. You know, small and big like that. And one sphinx also is there with a tiger, lion kind of face. Face is of like that, and sphinx, we call it sphinx. The name of that thing, that structure is sphinx, like that, sitting there on the alongside of the pyramid, somewhere there. Okay, so you can create something like that. All right, visual knowledge. Okay, question.
How many pieces are we supposed to find out?
10.
Okay.
10. This is one, by the way. This whole thing is one.
The parallel lines कैसे करने हैं?
Parallel lines, every day you have to practice on newspaper. On newspaper, parallel lines, you have to practice. Just maintain all the tricks I told you. What are the things you need to pay attention on? So maintain that thing every day, 15-20 minutes minimum. Those students who are in 11th, for them it's 15-20 minutes. Those students who are going for masters and who are in 12th, for you it's half an hour, minimum half an hour.
सर बोथ लाइन जो आपने कहा प्रैक्टिस के लिए, तो हॉरिजॉन्टल वर्टिकल दोनों?
All 360 degree. Look at that. No, it's not visible. Let me draw with the pen.
First, you can start with horizontal and vertical.
Start with horizontal. And can you see now? Horizontal, slowly, I'm going in all directions. Okay, like that. Okay. चक्री की तरह, राखी की तरह बना दो एकदम, all the side.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, why you have drawn that 3 pyramid?
Oh, that's the Giza pyramid. This is how it looks. Giza pyramid. So after making a basic step, you have to draw the real architecture. What the information you are like, what inspiration of the architecture you are taking. Anything else? Anyone?
Can you teach me how to draw that Monstera leaf behind you?
Okay.
What?
पीछे जो लीफ बनी है ना आपके.
Out of the syllabus.
Very nice.
Okay.
Shut up. We'll do later on. Time will come for that also. Anything else? Yes.
सर रेफरेंस समझ में नहीं आया, उसे कैसे लिखना है?
Ruby, I'll talk to you separately.
सर
Yeah.
सर फॉर द मास्टर जो आपने
Yeah.
शेप बताया 10 शेप, इट्स मच रिक्वायर्ड.
Yeah, it's for everyone. It's for everyone. The whole process I'm talking.
ओके, थैंक यू सर.
And for master it's must. Oh my, you who is talking? I can't see your face. Who is that? Ayush, for master you need
Yes.
to study a lot, bro.
थैंक यू सर.
बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ना पड़ेगा तुम्हें. ठीक है? I'll give you just and very beautiful future you have as a designer. So that is very knowledge based. So this kind of knowledge you should be having from the beginning itself. Right now you're trying to do everything what other people have done. You are doing from like last 7-8 years, right? So for masters it's like a lot of study involved. Be prepared. It's not like a lot of study means it's not laborious. It's very fun study. So don't freak out because of that. Oh my god, so much study. No, it's not like that. It's very fun study. Just follow the process, you'll find it. Don't worry, okay?
थैंक यू सर.
Anyone else?
So tomorrow there is no class. So whatever sir gave you the homework, please complete it and submit it.
Tomorrow there is no class.
No.
Your homework into 1.5. 15.
Enough.
Mitusi is like that. Oh shit.
This is going to society today.
बताया कि छुट्टी है कल.
Sir, 10 is enough.
सर 12
No,
का भी
15.
पढ़ना है.
15. That's why I didn't give you 20.
Okay, so bye bye. We are concluding the session. We'll
See you
see
in the
you
next class.
tomorrow.